Somebody, welcome back with Cooking with Nana. I am gonna up my duck wings and duck head. This is what I'm gonna have for my I have a duck head and the wings that I slice it. Like it's supposed to be like this, so I cut in half. And then here I bought this at RN in Fresno. You can ask them to slice it for you. So they slice it already. In here I have lemongrass. I have ginger, shallot, and then I have garlic and pepper, fresh chili pepper. If you don't want chili pepper, that's up to you. Okay. So I'm gonna season it. I have 1/4 cup of the chicken favorite the chicken bouillon, and MSG is an option. If you don't want MSG, you don't have to. Using 1 full spoon. Okay. And some sugar. I'm using 2 spoons of sugar. Okay. And then my oyster sauce. 1, 2. So that's like 1/4. I'm using 1/4 of this oyster sauce. And 1/4 of soy sauce. You can put fish sauce you want, but I don't want to put fish sauce in mine. And if you want to add salt, you can add salt. But I figure it's going to be salty already. Okay. Put this, and I'm going to mix it. Mix it in. You can smell that aroma of lemongrass, ginger, garlic, chili, and some shallot. Yeah, there's some shallot in there too. Okay. Just mix it real good. And then you can do this overnight and put it in the refrigerator. Get all the taste and stuff all in there. Once it's in there, tomorrow you can grill it. Oh, I need black pepper. Where's my helper? I need black pepper. A little bit more. Okay. Make sure it's all combined. There you go, guys. This is how I marinate my duck head and duck wings to barbecue. Yummy, yummy. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Like I say, you can taste it. A lot of people they use this to taste their mouth and spit it out. But you know, to me, it should be fine. So this is how I do mine. Hope you guys go try this and have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon. And Happy New Year. 2018 is coming. It's time for barbecue. Bye. Thank you.